So welcome to 2019 question A4, a perspective question. Very similar to a question in 2014 that was a tennis court. So the drawing on the right shows a planned and partially completed perspective drawing of a GA pitch, or a portion of GA pitch. The goalposts are also shown. Okay, so there are goalposts and you can see them as points there. The position of the two vanishing points are also given in this perspective drawing. Okay, so vanishing point. Okay, it goes off the page here, the exact method of finding it, but arrows just indicating it, and we can see here how the vanishing point was found. And our spectator is in place. Complete the perspective drawing of the given portion of the pitch. So we want to look at the lines we've been given. So the back edge has been done, at front side. So let's do the overall outline first of all of our pitch, okay, and then we can add in the lines after. So they have already located that back corner, okay, that is a horizontal line, so that is actually vanishing through. Right, so again, it's going to finish somewhere out there. To find exactly where it finishes, we're going to bring that point back to S, okay, where it hits the spectator, and we're going to use this at a nice angle of 30 degrees. It is. Okay, so I'm going to project back onto that line. Okay, so that is the finishing point of the edge of the pitch that we are willing to show. That goes on to infinity. You can see not on to infinity, it just goes on further, but we're only showing that section. Next up, I'm going to start here at the 21-yard line. So I'm going to locate 21 by bringing my line back to my spectator. Okay, where it hits the picture plane, I'm going to project down onto my picture plane here, and I can see it intersecting that line that was found. And that is a horizontal line, so I can vanish that through, like so, to the other side of the pitch. And look, I've done an extra work there because that had already been done for us. Okay, next up, sorry, I've got the 13-yard line there. Okay, so I'll bring the 21-yard line this time. Bring that back, this is the picture plane. Bring that down until it is my side of my pitch, and I will project that through. So there is my 21-yard line. Okay. Next up, we want to find the location of the box, the large rectangle. So I am going to project this corner through onto my spectator, and the same with this corner. So where they hit the spectators, project that down onto my 13-yard line and onto my 13-yard line here as well. Okay, they are running back horizontally as well, so I can vanish them back if I want, or I could locate those points by bringing them to the spectator and bring them down, but this is probably the quicker method. So vanish those back and vanish that back. So that's a large square. And then lastly, we're going to have our small square. Just saving us a bit of hassle, I could extend that line up here and find reference points for this line down here, the same way I did when I was drawing my 13 and 21-yard line, bringing them from the side of the pitch. But we can see here where they cross. Okay, that is going to be the position of the distance out, we'll say. So I'm actually going to just draw that little construction to show where they cross. Okay, so my 13-yard, or little small square, is going to be somewhere along there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I can see the back edge there of that box has been already brought down. Yeah, and this back edge, so I'm going to bring this back edge of the box to the spectator here. That one has already been done for me, and now I can locate that front portion of the box, and this one has already been done for me. Okay, next up I'm going to vanish those points through onto that line that I have drawn. And then finish that off using that reference that I had. Okay, so that's my small box. Right, is there anything else missing from that 13-yard line, 20-yard line, box, this box? Yep, that's fine. So, part A completed. Now, determine and show the true height of the goalposts, of the upright goalposts. So, here we have our goalposts. Okay, they are back. This is the position of my picture plane. Imagine my picture plane is standing vertically here. So they are back away from the picture plane. So that's not the true height of them. So we need to project those forward so that they're on the picture plane. Okay, so I'm just going to choose one of them to project forward. So projecting this one forward here. Okay, and I'm going to use a color just to show that. Okay, so now it's projected onto the picture plane. So we will bring that down, like so. So this is the position of that goalpost now resting on the picture plane. Okay, it has been projected forward onto the picture plane there. Okay, so we are going to vanish, use my vanishing points, make sure it's this post, because I used the back post, not the front post, but whichever one you used, you will use the corresponding one. So I brought through from the bottom of the post, and I'm bringing through from the top of the post. And what I've done there is this kind of I'll just project through so you can see it a bit clearer now. Okay, so that is essentially what I've created. I've created a plane projecting through to there, and this will be the height then of my post on the picture plane. Okay, and as I say, what we need to do we need to indicate this, determine and show the true height. So I'll just put a little symbol here saying that that's the true height. H. Okay, so that's the perspective question 2019.